One down, 3 to go.
What's up, guys? Double G Bassin here, back with another video. And today we are out here on Lake Winnebago. I'm with my dad today, and we're gonna be going after some walleye. You can catch 3 walleye per person out here. There's no size limit, so we're really looking to get 6 walleye in total, get a 2-man limit, fill up the freezer a little bit. My uncle came out here earlier today. He just came by himself, but he filled up in 30 minutes when he hit the right spot. So it was like back to back to back. In 30 minutes, he caught 3 walleye and kept all 3 of them. These aren't giant walleye, but they're perfect eaters. Exactly what you want to fill your freezer up with. They taste the best, 15 inchers. And so we're hoping we can get a couple of them today. And should be a good time. We're trolling flicker shads. We got the planer boards out, 4 rods. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully we can get some bites here. Haven't done this in a while, so it feels good. Let's get it.
Can I get this one all the way in?
I don't know. I don't really feel anything.
Well, there was something.
No, there's nothing on there.
Sure.
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, he's on there, I think. Yeah, definitely. It's definitely not big, I don't think, if it's still on.
No, they're not good to you. Like the bait.
Okay. Oh yeah, he's on.
15 inches, not that big.
Oh yeah, it's really small. I don't even need the net for this thing. Is that even a walleye?
I don't know.
Greedy little sucker. It is a little eye. There we go. I got him. Thank you. Got the skunk out of the boat. We keeping that?
I don't know, measure them.
Is there a size limit out here?
No.
No?
Uh-uh.
Oh. Make a good little fillet then, I think. Close to 15. Oh. Here, pull that out.
Ready?
Hurry.
Huge.
I'm definitely eating this now. I'm so lucky the barb didn't get through.
I know.
Alright, there we go. First walleye of the day. It's a little guy. Measured it at just about 14 inches. 14 incher, not giant, perfect eater. So he's going right into the cooler. And hopefully we can fill up on these little guys tonight. And I'm pumped. Let's get it. Let's go. First one. Got the skunk out of the boat. Yeah. Yo.
Good sign.
Yeah. Ooh. A little bit more fight on this one. Or not. Another small one. Oh, it's a new species. Sheep's head. Yes, please. Alright guys, not the right species we're after today, but still a fun little catch. You catch a lot of these guys out here on Lake Winnebago, so not mad about it. We're gonna get a release on them now and send them back home. See you later, little guy. Thank you for biting. Let's get on these walleyes now. Ooh, walleye. Yeah, one. Nice. Heck yeah, dude. Woo. There we go. That's 2.
Yeah.
That one's 15.
For sure.
Nice, dude. There we go. That's number 2, guys. Nice job, Dad.
Sweet.
Let's
Woo.
go. Got 2 walleyes in there. That last one was crazy. We didn't even know that there was a walleye on the planer boards because the flag didn't go down. It wasn't dragging behind. And we were reeling them up because we were just going to go try jigging this one spot that we always catch them. And Dad was like, yeah, I think there's something on here. And sure enough, pulled up another walleye. So that's 2, 1 away from a limit. This is awesome. We're catching fish. It's all that matters. Yeah, Glenny. Oh, hey, this one.
Like a nice one.
Yeah, this one feels bigger.
Is it a lot of boats?
No, none hardly.
This one's definitely bigger, dude. This one might be a nice one, actually. It's heavy. Oh my God. Okay, still got him.
I was only running 2 boards.
Oh, popped off.
Oh, son of a.
Okay. Still on?
I think so. Yeah,
Yeah?
I don't think it's big. Oh, it's starting to fight a little bit now. It's probably a sheephead.
Well, it's staying down, so it's not a tiny one. Unless it's not a walleye.
It's big.
Oh yeah, it is big. Get it up. Get it. Got him. Woo!
Nice.
Heck yeah, dude, let's go. That's what we like to see right there.
That is awesome.
That's a perfect size. Nice, dude.
Sweet.
That's a quality walleye right there.
Yes.
The purple ones too.
Bite down like that. He's about 18.
Yeah, dude. That is a nice fish. About an 18-incher right there for Dad. Good job, Dad.
Thank you.
There we go. That's a one-man limit, baby. Nice. Let's go, dude. Oh, that is so awesome. That feels good.
That feels amazing.
There we go. Hey, that's the first limit down. Dad caught 2. I caught 1 so far. So he can catch 1 more. I can catch 2 more. Oh, yeah, baby. All right, let's get these suckers back down. I don't think there is. I don't think so.
Oh,
What?
oh. I swear there was one on that farther one.
Oh, yeah, there is.
Here, you grab that one. I'll grab it. Still on it?
Yep. Ooh. Ooh. Get that sucker in, Dad. This is nice.
Alright.
Nice and easy. It's another nice one. He's barely hooked, Dad. Get ready. Oh, it's a sheephead.
Aw.
God dang it. Stupid.
Did it break again?
Yeah, the hook bent. Well, at least we got 3.
Yeah, I know. I'm so happy with that.
Yep. If all the sheephead we caught were walleye, we'd have our limit.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Please be a walleye.
Please, God, be a walleye.
Are you gonna come down here?
Yep. All right, here we go.
Shit, there's one on the other one too.
Oh, you get that one. I can get this one.
Did I reel that other one in first?
Yeah. Ooh, this is. Yeah. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna bring it back. Here we go. Yes! Yes! Oh, hook just popped out.
Shut up.
Okay, Dad, you get that one now. Okay.
I know, I don't know what happened.
Just hand line it. This is crazy. Clutch up double walleye, please. Here he comes. Oh, it's a sheephead.
You freaking
Oh,
crap.
God darn it. That was insane. Alright guys, well we were gonna head in at 8 o'clock and we were actually just getting ready to pull up the lines, and that's when that big walleye bit and then the sheephead bit as well. So we got a little bit of excitement in our veins now, so we're gonna make one more pass. Trying to catch a Hail Mary here. We'll see if we can get it done. We need 2 more walleye. Let's see if we can pull off a miracle here. Let's do it. Yeah, I agree.
Hey, that one's down.
Oh. Yeah, dude.
Shut up.
Yeah. Dude, I got that all on video too.
Serious?
Yeah. Dude, that was at the last second. This is big. Please. Oh my God, yeah, dude, this is, I think, something really big actually, dude. Look at that. Okay, got him. Oh baby, get that net ready. What is this? It's not even fighting really. It's just dead weight. Here he comes, here he comes. Oh, get that sucker ready. He's coming up. Here he comes. Oh, it's not even that big. It's a walleye though. Oh. Get him. Yeah, bro.
Woo.
How insane is that?
That's a nice one. Dude.
Oh my God.
Nice.
That was literally the last second.
Last second. Yes, that is nice.
I can't believe that. Fish is off.
Nice one.
Oh,
Heck
yeah.
yeah.
That is a perfect one, actually.
That is.
That is the perfect size. Wow. Literally, as I grabbed the rod to reel it in, to bring it in,
I know, I'm
it
like,
dropped.
The flag is down.
Oh, that's the coolest catch.
Nope.
No?
Hey,
Let's
that
go.
is awesome.
Yeah, dude. That was a good day of fishing. If we stayed, we would get our limit for
God,
sure.
Yeah. Sweet.
Yeah, dude.
Good job.
Woo! That was a good day. That was a good freaking day.
Heck yes.
Well, here we go. Here's the biggest one, which I'm sure you can guess whose that is. That is a nice walleye right there. That's mine. Here's Dad's nice walleye. Another tank, honestly. That's 2 really nice ones. Here's the one I just recently caught. perfect eater right there. And then we got a couple little guys. Oh my God. Really? And then there's the two, well, you saw them, but there we go. Those are all the fish we caught today. Yeah, we hammered them today, guys. Got 5 nice ones. That's almost a 2-man limit, 1 away. It was a great day of fishing. That last one was especially awesome. Yeah, so that's all I got for you guys today. Slammed them out here on Winnebago today. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And until next time, this is Double G Bassin signing out. Peace.